Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I'm participating in another collaboration, and this time I'm participating in a collab hosted by MissFeMarie and Designs on a Dollar. Now in this collab, these ladies asked us to decorate a Christmas tree using all Dollar Tree or dollar store items. And then you could also use some items that cost $1, but the idea is to do a tree with items that cost $1. So I was so excited to participate in this challenge because you guys know I have a lot of ornaments that I picked up from the 99 cents only store and the Dollar Tree last year after season, and many of those items were 25 cents each. So I had a lot of ornaments to work with. So also they asked us to do a DIY project. So if you guys are interested in seeing my tree, which you see here behind me, how I put it all together, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I like to fluff my trees. And as you can see, this one is not fluff, so you can see all the way to the trunk of it. And you can see the electrical cords and everything there. So I'm going to just show you guys how I like to fluff my trees. And I will mention that this tree is a 6.5 foot tree, and I wanted it a little bit taller. So as you can see there, I placed it on a base, which is actually a box. That's a heavy duty box, and I put a curtain over it. And after I'm finished decorating everything and I put my tree skirt on, you would never know that was there. But so yeah, let me show you guys how I like to fluff my branches. portion of this project, I have this beautiful sequins material that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $1 per yard, and so I got, I think this 1 yard, yeah. So I am going to use this as my DIY skirt for my Christmas tree. So, and just so you guys know, I'm going to be using these little Christmas hooks, you can see that, to hold, let's see if I can get the focus, there we go. I'm going to use these little Christmas tree hooks, to like ornament hooks, to attach to my skirt like this, and then I'm going to just hang it from the bottom portion of the tree. So yeah, just like that, and it'll hang from the tree like so. Alright, so let me get started with that. And here is the finished tree with my DIY skirt. And I think everything turned out so pretty. So as you guys can see, you can have a beautiful Christmas tree with all dollar store items or items that cost $1. Guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me comments down below to let me know what you think. And also let me encourage all of you to be sure to go over to MissFeMarie's channel as well as Design on a Dollar. I will have both their channels listed in my description box down below. Alrighty guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, thank you guys so much. You all know that I love you so much, and I will see all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.